Here are a few tips on how to look after your hydrangeas. If any of you have hydrangeas in your garden, then you'll be seeing this, the beautiful new flush of flowers as they come out of their deep slumber from the last winter. And this, with the lovely growth, is a promise of the flowers that are going to come in December, January, and some pushing right through to Feb. What is important with hydrangeas is that we give them food. Now, this guy has already had its light pruning, so if you haven't done it already and you've got this foliage pushing through above or even below naked stems, then you've got to take away those tall bits. Very important. And what it's going to do is really force this foliage out, which is what we want. But above all, they need food. So once you have done your bits of maintenance, you need to get a good slow release organic fertilizer and give it generous amounts. And when I mean generous amounts, this plant is just under 1 meter by 1 meter, so it's going to get about 4 handfuls all the way around it. This is going to ensure a couple of things. Number one, that we're giving it the right nutrition, so it's going to green up these leaves and give enough energy and the nitrogen, the phosphates, the potassium to encourage a really good flush of flowers. Plus, remember, whenever we're using an organic fertilizer, we're feeding the soil. And third, which is probably one of the highlights of it, is that because it's organic, you don't need to water it in. So, water scarce in your area, you're okay. You can still fertilize with confidence.